rocking my G-Schock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Schock.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. Today we have the GMWB5000 Real versus Fake. And I love these videos. I've gotten a lot of great feedback from you viewers with some of the past videos I've done with the GG1000, the GWG1000, the TW6900, I believe I've also did, and some other models, fake versus real. But this one I'm really excited about. First of all, please, I want to send a shout out to Carlo, who made this all possible. I have my real here, GMWB5000, and he sent me his replica. And before you judge, he's got the real one as well. And he went ahead and sent me his fake one so that I could do a comparison between the two and that to educate, inform my viewers. So thank you so much, Carlo. And here we go. The top 10 ways to tell and differentiate the real versus fake GMWB5000 D-1. Now this also applies, sort of applies to the other colorways because it's kind of one way they could tell, 10 ways you can tell which one's real and which one's fake. So let's get started. Number one. So let's get started here. Let me remove this here plastic so we could get a good look at the watch and we could do a comparison. All right, the watch is brand new, so I just want to save this. All right. First things first, you'll see that the brushed look on both watches is completely different. This one on the left, the fake one, it's glossy and it's hard to tell on the camera, but it's got a more brushed aluminum look on the real one on the right. This is a better look. You see that? The glossy versus the brushed metal. Okay, that's the first way to distinguish it. All right, it's not easy to tell, but behind the lens, but in real person, the real one has this brushed metal look and it's got this glossy satin, or not satin, but glossy finish to the watch. Okay. Number two, the solar panel looks completely different to what it should look. Look at the fake one. Okay, you can tell that's actually not real solar panels. The real one here, you can tell the difference. It's real solar, so it's an actual solar watch. This one, it's like a sticker. It's just make-believe. It's not real. All right, so there you have it. That's number two. Number three, the display, the fonts and all that are very similar, but not quite on point. You'll see here, the water resist 20 bar is different from the original. It's a smaller font, more crisp looking. Right? Same with the Bluetooth on the bottom here. This is smaller. Okay. The Tough Solar, you'll see a gap between the Casio and the Tough Solar. Casio and Tough Solar. There's a gap there. This one's more together. Casio, Tough Solar there. Kind of just runs on. Okay. That's some of the differences. The G-Schock Resist logo there. You could tell this one's smaller. This is actually a little bit clearer for some reason, but this is the original, guys. All right, see how small it is versus larger font display there. All right, number four. That trifold buckle here. You'll see that the original on the right here is thinner than the fake one, right? So for example, here it's smaller versus larger gap. Okay, this metal piece here holding the buckle between there, this one's thicker. See that? All right, that's two subtle differences in the bracelet clasp. Okay. Next, number five, the buttons on the watch protrude on the fake. All right, they're supposed to be recessed buttons protected by the case. You'll see that these here stick out. Okay, you can see that there. See how they're different there? This one's supposed to be recessed. They're not supposed to be protruding or sticking out as much as they are. Okay, all right. Number 6, the quality of the case. The bezel itself, you could see the difference in quality. Look at this fine edge here. Let me show you. There. The fine edge on the real one, right? Look at the fake one. See that? The quality of the bezel itself is not very good quality. Looks plasticky, looks molded wrong, doesn't look as beautiful as the original. All right. Number 7. The band itself again has a serial number or some kind of manufacturing code on the back there. You see that? S1446 David Victor, or DV. The fake one does not have anything behind there. All right, so that's a good indicator. If you're buying from someone in person or they send you pictures, look for that code, all right, on the band, on the back of the band. The fake one does not have it. The real one does. Okay, moving on. Number 8, the screw back on the original has better grip. Right here, you'll see these are the grips to open up the screw back. Look at the fake one. Not as, see that? These are smaller, very difficult, probably almost impossible to open. I'll be surprised if that's actually a screw back. It's probably pops open instead of screw. All right, so the screw back quality is not up to par. Number 9, the backlight on the fake one is not as good as the real one. So if you push the button here, see that? It lights up and it's supposed to dim out. This is how the real one looks. Look how it dims. And it fills the whole LCD. This one you could tell is kind of stronger on the left side. Got a single LED. This is dual LED. One on that side and one on that side. Doesn't bleed as much. Okay. There we go. And then number 10. The functions on the watch obviously are not quality. For example, if you push and hold the bottom left button here to access the Bluetooth technology, connect, that will connect to your phone. On the fake one, and I tried it myself, push and hold does give you the connect indicator, but it does nothing Bluetooth related. Try to pair it with my phone, try different ways to connect it, and does nothing. Once the real one, it will exit on its own. The fake one will stay there, continue to blink connect until you exit. But that's Fox, it's not real. It's not a real function. I've noticed that the modes are the same. So you have your time mode, world time, alarm, stopwatch, timer. So they mimic it really well. And back to your home time. Now, one thing they also didn't get right is the sound itself the watch makes. So listen to this. Now let's listen to the real one. More crisp. This sounds toyish, fake-ish. Beep, 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 boom. Listen to the real one. Yep, that's the real one versus the fake one. All right, so that's the 10 ways to tell the real versus the fake. And lastly, I'll give you a bonus one. Obviously, the price is going to be different. The retail price on the original is $500. You can get it for roughly $350 market value approximately. This one's about $80, $60 to $80. So that's an indicator. If someone tries to sell you this watch for about $150, beware. All right, buyer beware. The price is it's a great indicator of real versus fake. All right, guys. Hopefully this helps. If you guys are in the market, please be wary of the watches out there for sale. There's a lot of counterfeits, fakes, replicas that people are willing to sell to you. Not to say that this is, it's kind of flattering for G-Schock, right? It's a flattering watch, but it's not going to be as durable. It's not going to be as functional, if that's a word. It's not going to have all the quality. You probably submerge it underwater and it's going to sink with you. It's not going to maintain that water protection, the shock resistance, the Bluetooth technology. So it's just a Fox watch. Now, does it look good? It's okay. It's a little lighter than the real one. This is heftier. It's got a little more weight to it. So it's flattering, but nevertheless, it's not original. I don't advocate the buying or selling of fake ones. So please don't message me like you do all the time. Where did you find the fake one? Because I will not share that information. All right. I will help you find the real one, but not the fake one. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this helps someone down the line from getting scammed, robbed. And until next time, I'll see you guys very soon. This is Chicago. I'm out of here. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Schock, I'm rocking my G-Schock, I'm rocking my G-Schock, I'm rocking my G-Schock, I'm rocking my G